And Jules got one on her head too. Holy crud. Poor Ayla's been waiting and none of them are coming to her. She's hoping and praying. Look at it. Right on Jules' head.
They like tall people. Just stand there and they'll be... I'll stand on the
Are you
sidewalk,
taking a
please.
picture?
On your head!
Nope, he don't want you. Look at Jewel. Jewel must have bugs in her hair. It's licking your scalp.
The baseball thing.
Daddy, they're on the roof! He's doing something. He's gonna bite me. Mommy, those two are sleeping and then... They were sleeping.
Pretty cool.
Look at Jewel.
Any bird poop
Look at
on
Jewel, Daniel. It won't get off her head. It keeps. Look at her hair now. It's like pulling all the hair up.
No, put your head back over there. Just shake your head.
Let some other people have some fun.
I don't think she wants it on her head. She's been trying to get it off the whole time.
Watch this.
They do a lot of beautiful grooming.
Yep. You can, oh, there you go.
All right.
He says goodbye.